Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. It is wonderful to see you again. I am Sarah.
And I am Jack. Our mission is to help you speak English naturally, confidently, and without stress. If you are new here, welcome to our friendly community. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us create more free lessons for you.
Today, we have a very special grammar episode. We are going to solve a mystery, the mystery of make and do.
Oh yes, this is the #1 question I get from students. They often feel confused and ask, Sara, do I make homework or do homework? Do I make a mistake or do a mistake?
It is confusing because in many languages, like Spanish, French, or German, there's often only one word for both. But in English, they are completely different verbs.
Exactly. If you use the wrong one, people will usually understand you, but it won't sound natural. It will sound like broken English. Today, we will teach you the rules, the exceptions, and the most common phrases so you never make a mistake again.
So, grab a notebook and a pen. Let's start with the general rule. Sarah, what is the basic difference between these two verbs? Okay, here is the simple logic to help you remember. We use make when we create something, when we produce something new that didn't exist before.
Right. Think about cooking. You make a cake. Before, you just had eggs, flour, and sugar. Now you have a cake. You created a physical object.
Exactly. That is the key, creation. On the other hand, we use do for activities, jobs, and tasks. You are not creating a physical object, you are just performing an action or a process.
For example, do your job. You are not building a job, you are working. Or do exercise. You are moving your body, not building a statue. So make is for creating, and do is for acting.
That is the basic rule. But Jack, as we know, English is crazy. There are many fixed expressions called collocations that don't follow the rule perfectly. We just have to memorize them.
That is true. So let's break them down into clear categories to make it easier. Let's start with Category 1, housework and daily chores.
Okay, housework almost always uses do. We say, do the housework. Do the laundry, which means washing your clothes. Do the dishes, which means washing the plates.
We also say do the ironing, do the shopping, and do the gardening. Basically, if it is a boring task around the house, you probably do it.
But wait, there is one huge exception in the bedroom. Do you know what it is?
Yes, we say make the bed. This means arranging your pillows and blankets nicely. You are creating a tidy bed. So remember, do the dishes, but make the bed.
Excellent. Now, Category 2, work and study. This is very important for students and professionals. This category is almost always do.
Yes, students, listen carefully. You always do homework, never make homework. You also do an exam, do a course, or do a subject like math or science.
And for business, we say do business. For example, it is a pleasure doing business with you. And if you work hard, you say, I did a good job, or I did my best.
However, there are exceptions in business too. When we talk about the results of work, we often use make, like make a deal, make an offer, or make a presentation.
Right, because a deal, an offer, or a presentation is something you create, but the general work is do.
Let's move to Category 3, food and drink. This is usually make.
Because you are creating it. Make breakfast, make lunch, make dinner, make a sandwich, make a salad.
And drinks too. Make a cup of tea, make coffee. If you say, I'm doing coffee, it sounds very strange. Always make.
Category 4, communication and sounds. This is a big make category. When we produce sound or speech, we use make.
We say, make a phone call, make a joke, make a speech, make a comment, make a suggestion, make a complaint.
And sounds. We say make a noise. Please don't make a noise. The baby is sleeping. Or make a sound.
Category 5, money. Everyone loves this category. This is always make.
We say make money, make a profit, make a fortune. Think of it like creating wealth. You start with zero and you create money.
Category 6, plans and decisions. This is very important for daily life.
We say make a plan, make a decision, make a choice, make a list, make an appointment with the doctor or dentist.
Okay, those are the main categories, but Sarah, let's talk about self-care and body. This one is tricky.
Yes, for taking care of your body, we usually use do. We say do your hair, do your nails, do your makeup.
So if you're brushing your hair or painting your nails, you are doing them.
Now, let's talk about the big mistakes, the ones students get wrong every single day.
The biggest one is mistake itself. We say make a mistake. I made a mistake in the test. Never I did a mistake.
Another big one is favor. We say do a favor. Jack, can you do me a favor? Never make me a favor.
And one more common one, do exercise. I do exercise every morning, not make exercise.
Wow, that's a lot of information. Let's make it easier to remember. Let's do a role play.
Great idea. In this role play, Sara and I are planning a holiday trip. Listen for make and do.
Okay, I'm ready.
Sara, we really need to make a plan for our summer holiday.
You're right. I will make a list of possible destinations. But first, can you do me a favor?
Sure, what is it?
Can you make a phone call to the travel agent? I have too much work to do today.
No problem. I will call them and try to make a reservation. Maybe we can make a deal for a cheaper price.
That sounds great. While you do that, I will do the laundry and do the dishes so the house is clean before we go.
Good idea. Oh, and we need to make a decision about the hotel. Do we want a cheap one or a nice one?
Let's find a nice one, even if it costs more. We work hard to make money, so we should enjoy it.
I agree. I will do my best to find a great hotel.
Perfect. Just don't make a mistake with the dates. Remember, we fly on the 10th.
Don't worry. I will check everything twice.
End of role play. Did you catch them all?
We used so many. Make a plan, make a list, do a favor, make a phone call, do work, make a reservation, make a deal, do the laundry, do the dishes, make a decision, make money, do my best, make a mistake.
It sounds natural when you hear it in conversation, right?
Yes. Now, before we finish, let's test our listeners. Let's do a quiz.
I love quizzes. I will say a word and you shout make or do. I will wait a moment for you to answer. Ready?
Let's go. Number 1. Homework. Do homework.
Number 2. A mistake. Make a mistake.
Number 3. The laundry. Do the laundry.
Number 4. A promise. Make a promise.
Number 5. Money. Make money.
Number 6. Your best. Do your best.
Number 7. A noise. Make a noise.
Number 8. Exercise. Do exercise.
Number 9. A decision. Make a decision.
Number 10. Friends. Make friends.
Number 11. The dishes. Do the dishes.
And the last one, number 12. The bed. Make the bed. Did you get that one right?
If you got 12 out of 12, you are a grammar master.
If you made some mistakes, don't worry. Just listen to this episode again. Repetition is the key to learning.
Now it's time for the question of the day.
Today's question is, what is one thing you make in the morning and one thing you do in the evening?
For example, I make coffee in the morning and I do the dishes in the evening.
Write your sentence in the comments below. We read every single comment and we love correcting your sentences.
Thank you for listening to the English Learning Podcast. We hope we helped you make progress today.
If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing.
Bye, everyone.